Hello everyone. So today I'm going to rework on this aim offset that I have implemented. So as you can see here, when I look up, the character turn the rifle up properly to align with the reticle, and when I look down, the character look down, turn the rifle properly, so that it aligns with the reticle always, and I can shoot like this as well. So yeah, this is the part I'm gonna do today, and here is the demonstration of that aim offset I have developed for this. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Right, at the moment we have this, and so and even if I right click, I have disabled the aim down mode, so we don't have the aim down part at the moment. So I'm gonna work on that part today. So the first thing we need to do is before that, let me show you my previous implementation of the aim offset system. So it is like this. I was using a transform modify bone based system to make the character rotate, and also I adjust the left hand position to keep the hand on the gun as well. But I experienced some issues with that approach, so therefore I'm gonna skip all of them, and I'm gonna re-implement the aiming part with the aim offset. Right, so for that, first we need to create the aim offset. So we need that for the idle aiming. That means this animation, right? So we need to put the actual gun here so that we can see if the character is holding the gun properly. And also, if I open my character here, you can see I have attached the gun using this rifle and socket scene component. So here we have some offset from this gun socket. I'm gonna remove that offset because with that offset, if I keep that offset, then I will not be able to properly display the gun here. So now let's see, where do we have the gun socket? Right here. Here we can add preview asset, right? But now it's like this. As you can see, it's not properly placed on the hand. Also, the character is holding not it should hold the gun from here, not from here. It's not clear. Let me increase the lighting level of the scene a little bit. Let's disable post processing. Right, now you can clearly see the hand should be here instead of here. now, but the problem is if I open the gun, this rifle, the root of the rifle is like this, it's here. So that's why we see when we preview the asset here, it's the rifle is holding from this position. So instead, if the root of the rifle is here, then we wouldn't have that problem. So how do we add a joint to this? So actually we can do something like this. I'm gonna export this to this folder. Let's call it rifle. I don't know a way to add a joint within Unreal. Maybe that's not possible, I'm not sure. Right, but I have Blender. So now let's import that FBX we just exported. Right, where is it? Okay, it's here. And let's reposition this. Like this. And a bone is automatically added here. I'm not sure how, but it happens. It has been a problem for me always, but in this particular case it is exactly what I want to have. So rifle edit. Okay, now let's this is the new model. Let's import it back to Unreal. And with a new skeleton. Right, now you can see we have a new bone named rifle in this place. So now I can go here and let's remove this asset and add another preview asset, rifle edit. Alright, now you can see the character is holding the gun in the proper place. Okay, so this animation is going to be the center of our aiming offset. So this should be aiming directly straight of the character. So to see if that is happening, I'll drag and drop this character here. Like this. So let's put this in 0, 0 position. Oh, no. This one. So it's easier. Okay. Now let's add another object also in the 0, 0 position. And this should be longer. like this, and let's move it up. The purpose of this object is to see if our rifle aligns with this line. So to make this more visible, let's see if we have an unlit variable material. Let's make this one completely unlit, and let's use this material in this place. Right, now this is the forward of the character, and let's drag and drop this rifle into the scene, and let's make this one a child object of this idle aiming and attached to the gun socket. Make everything 0. Right, now as you can see here, the gun is not aligning, not horizontally, not vertically, so we have to modify the animation a little bit. Right, so let's go here. If we look at this in the top view with unlit, now you can see it's like this. How to fix this? Alright, let's see. Let's go to the perspective view. This is going to be a little bit of trial and error because okay, let's stop the animation there. First, let me make a duplicate of this animation, because if something went wrong, I have the original one. The hand should be here, closer to the eye, because otherwise the character can't aim properly. So I think we should fix this with the hand. So try it now. Let's look at this again. Right, I think in this way it is straight now, but to see that, let's apply the animation here and select this one, go a little bit. Okay, I think, yeah, I think gun is okay now. Let's move this one a little bit. Yeah, guns this way it's all right, good enough. Now we have to fix it this way. So to do that, I think we will have to, maybe we should refer to actual gun holding animation. Okay, as I can see here, we can see the gun is straight. Okay, let's try to mimic this behavior in our animation. Let's go to the other side. Right, now I'll switch to the world coordinate space. Let's select clavicle R. Let's reduce this to 5. Okay, and is this good enough? We have a little problem here. Let's check in the perspective mode. Oh, I think this is too high, but and this part should be touching here on the character. It should not be like this, so I think we would have to move it. No, let's move from the upper. The clavicle. Alright, I'm keep doing small modifications and seeing if it's alright, and I definitely need to fix this still. Okay, so maybe I can move this like this, and also this gun is somewhat rotated here, so let's rotate the gun socket a little bit like this so it looks straight. I think that's good enough. Now the hand is okay. Yeah, hand is okay. Is this straight? No, it is not. Okay, now it looks pretty straight to me. Let's see, apply and select this. Okay, I think this should be good enough. Yeah. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, now this is the center of our aim offset, and yeah, it has already taken more than 20 minutes, so I'll stop this episode at this point. So in the next episode I will work on the other things that we need to set up the aim offset. And if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. The link would be in the description below, and also the project files and the full tutorial series of this will be available through the Patreon page. So see you in the next episode. Bye.